Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 15 in first semester. This is that tight turnaround. The end of this week concludes the December MPR period. So work hard to get your assignments turned in so that you can earn satisfactory. Talk to your teachers if you need help earning or meeting MPR. Looking ahead is a few more weeks of school and then winter break. I hope all of you are staying warm, working hard, and finding time to go outside. The quote for this week is by Muhammad Ali, who said, if my mind can conceive it and my heart can believe it, I can achieve it. Wise words from a successful person. All right, everyone, have a great week. Bye.